Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Welcome to the channel Under the Table. आज का वीडियो होने वाला है थोड़ा हटके because in this video we are going to tell you 5 must things you should have before starting a YouTube channel. मतलब कौन सी वो 5 बेसिक चीजें हैं जो आपके पास होनी चाहिए YouTube चैनल स्टार्ट करने से पहले. ये 5 चीजें हमें महसूस हुई अपना YouTube चैनल स्टार्ट करने के बाद. And we wish हमें इन चीजों का नॉलेज चैनल स्टार्ट करने से पहले होता, बट देर आए सवेर आए और हम नहीं चाहते कि ये गलती आप लोग करें YouTube चैनल स्टार्ट करने से पहले. तो आइए शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो. First thing which is most important to make your YouTube channel best is mic. Yes, it's a really important thing. अगर आपके वीडियो में आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है तो आपके वीडियो बनाने का कोई फायदा नहीं है और आपको जरूरत है एक अच्छे माइक की because voice is a main soul of your video. If the voice is not good, आपका वीडियो अच्छा बन ही नहीं सकता. If there is background noise in your video and if your voice quality is very poor, then problem is in the mic. You can check out some better options on Amazon and for the best product check out this video's description. Second most important thing is camera. अगर आप स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं कोई vlogging channel, sports channel, travel channel and something like that, then an action camera is must for you to create good quality YouTube videos. Because those cameras are the portable and rugged one and comes with the nice features like hyper smooth video stabilization, waterproofing and many more. And if you want to start a motovlogging channel, then these action cameras come with several accessories so you can attach them with your gears like helmet to shoot the videos. GoPro in this category is one of the best option and these cameras come with so many features. But if your channel is related to the tech, gaming, lifestyle, cooking, learning, fashion and other categories, then DSLRs and mirrorless cameras are the best option. But initially अगर आप इतनी मनी स्पेंड नहीं करना चाहते तो स्मार्टफोन कैमरास are also good to consider because आजकल स्मार्टफोन कैमरास भी काफी एडवांस आने लगे हैं with advanced technologies. Third most important thing is tripod because it supports your camera in perfect position. और अगर आप यूज करते हैं tripod to record your YouTube videos, then there will be no or less chances of camera shake, which results in blurry shots and focusing issues while recording a video. Tripod reduces the camera movement and with this it becomes easy to take shots or record videos even using a telephoto lens. And with the help of tripod, you can shoot stable videos which obviously will be a treat to your viewers' eyes. There are many tripods available in market for both smartphones as well as DSLRs and mirrorless cameras. Some are really cheap in price and some are really expensive. Initially I suggest you can go for cheap ones, no need to buy any expensive tripod. For best product you can check out the description of this video. Fourth most important thing is video editing tool, and without this I'm pretty much sure you cannot make attractive videos. If you want to add effects in your videos and wants to make your video more enjoyable to your subscribers, then you should purchase a license of good video editing tool. Nowadays, you can edit your videos on your smartphones. You don't need any heavy editing tools initially, but yeah, for the better and professional looking results, you can go for Adobe's video editing software. And there are also many other alternatives present in market. For smartphones, best editing tool is KineMaster or you can also use Power Director. Links to download these apps are given in description. Fifth, and I cannot say this is the most important thing initially, but yeah, when in meantime you will start gaining subscribers for your YouTube channel and at that time you will feel need of this thing to make your videos look more attractive to the viewers and to create something creative. It is lighting and green screen. A good lighting is very much important and plays a really important role to make your videos look fantastic because it's not only your content but it is the way how you represent it, and to represent it you have to make it look attractive. But initially, if you don't want to spend your money on lighting, then it is better to shoot your videos after the morning golden hour or before the evening golden hour, because it is natural best lighting time to shoot. And if you want to be creative with your stuff, then you can also add green screen in your cart. That's all for today and hope you liked our today's video and enjoyed it. If it's really yes, I mean yes, then don't forget to hit like button. You can also appreciate our work by commenting on the video, can also share this video with your friends and family, and also can subscribe to our channel to join Under the Table family and can help us to grow. Bye bye, love you all, peace.